الرحمن الرحيم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Greetings of peace and prosperity, pagbati ng kapayapaan at pagkakaisa. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning to each and every one of us. Mapita sa nakita naman. And now to start our program, the State of the Municipality Address, let us all witness the entrance of the municipal heads.
Veterans and Tutulan. And requesting the presence of everyone to please rise to witness the entrance of the colors.
يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم إنا نسألك خير هذا جمعنا جمعا مرحوما وتفرقنا وتفرقا معصوما ولا تجعلنا فينا معنا ولا سكانا ولا مطرودا ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار يا مقلب القلوب اللهم ثبت قلبنا على دينك ولا تعطيك يا مقلب القلوب اللهم ثبت قلبنا على دينك ولا تعطيك يا مقلب القلوب اللهم ثبت قلبنا على دينك ولا تعطيك برحمتك يا ارحم الراحمين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Assalamu alaikum. My dear constituents, honorable members of the Sangguniang Bayan headed by Honorable Vice Mayor Pen A. Lakiman, honorable barangay officials, honorable members of the parliament, BARM, honorable BARM ministers, my fellow mayors and LGU officials, department heads and staff, distinguished men in uniform, our PNP and AFP officers and men, BARM officials, national government officials, development partners, school officials, civil society organizations, religious sector, youth and women's sector, friends in media, parents, fellow stakeholders. It is with great pride and gratitude that I stand before you today to present the State of the Municipality Address, safe use of public roads. Notably, records show that the entire municipality are committed to sustaining as our legacy of peace and stability. Disaster preparedness has likewise been prioritized, as demonstrated by orientation seminars and simulation activities on earthquake incidents conducted by the Municipal Disaster and Risk Reduction Management Office.
Its development framework, SALAM. And the role of the Sangguniang Bayan is very significant because we are required to craft the corresponding ordinances and resolutions that will support the smooth implementation of the said programs as prioritized by the municipal mayor. Honorable Ahmad is recognized.
Mr. Chairman, I move to receive the rules to observe proper floor to deliberation. I am so moved, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion by Honorable Ahmad to resume the rules of and observe proper floor deliberation. Is there any second motion?
I second the motion.
Duly seconded by Honorable Tado. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Rules are hereby resumed. As a matter of parliamentary procedure, each Honorable Sangguniang Bayan member is given a privileged time to express his or her response, message to the just presented State of the Municipality Address report of our Honorable Municipal Mayor, anchored on its SALAM and its development framework. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the floor is now open for your individual message. Let us have first Honorable Al-Habib S. Mohammed.
A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am SB member Al-Hamidi S. Muhammad, and as the chairman of the committees on infrastructure and public work, trade and industries, it is my commitment to support the SALAM development framework of the Honorable Municipal Mayor Dato' Renz M. Tucuran under the advanced and resilient infrastructure component. Shukran.
Thank you, ma'am. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am SB member Pastora Iskak. As the chairman of committees on environment cooperatives and public market, it is my commitment to support the SALAM development framework. The Honorable Municipal Mayor Dato' Renz Tucuran under the level of services on social welfare and protection, agri-fishery and business development components.
This commitment.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a Sangguniang Bayan member relative sa Sandigan of Turgani, and as a chairman of Committee on Appropriation, Health, Social Welfare and Disaster Management, it is my commitment to support the SALAM development framework of the Honorable Municipal Mayor Dato' Renz M. Tucuran under the level of services on health, social welfare, and protection and moral governance in its component.
Thank you, ma'am. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am SB member by this method, and as a chairman of committees on family education, CSO accreditation, it is my commitment to support the SALAM development framework of the Honorable Municipal Mayor Dato' Renz M. Tucuran under the level services on education and moral governance component. So,
Thank you. Honorable Kenny Anda, Muhammad Kenny Wantao, Member of the Parliament, Bangsamoro Transition Authority. Welcome po sa State of the Municipality Address of our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Tato Renz M. Tucura. Let us now proceed to another committee, our Member of Sangguniang Bayan, Honorable Taimama P. Tapani.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am SB member Taimama K. Tapanding, and as Chairman of Committee on Human Rights, Peace and Order and Public Safety, it is my commitment to support the Salam Development Framework of the Honorable Municipal Mayor Dr. Renz M. Tucuran under the sustainable peace and order and public safety component.
Now jump into commitment message as well of none other than pinakabata sa SP, Honorable Mike D. Yuso.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sangguniang Member Mike Yuso, Chairman of the Committee on Housing and Land Utilization. It is my commitment to support the Salam Development Framework of Honorable Mayor Dr. Renz Tucuran under the labor, services, and social welfare, protection and component.
To give us next from here the commitment message of Honorable Suharto A. Ahmad.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Yeah, good morning everyone. I am SB member Suharto A. Ahmad and the chairman of the Committee on Rules and Legal Matters and Good Governance. It is my commitment to support the Salam Development Framework of the Honorable Municipal Mayor Dr. Renz M. Tucuran under the modern governance component. Sukran.
Thank you, Honorable Ahmad. Let us hear another commitment message coming from our SB member. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Saadat P. Masuka.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning po sila. I am SB member Dr. Sor Masuka as a chairman of the Committee of the Culture and Agrarian Reform. It is my commitment to support the Salam Development of Framework of Honorable Mayor Dr. Renz M. Tucuran and business and agribusiness and the business development company.
Honorable Saidi P. Cardo.
Alhamdulillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am SB member Saidin Pintado as a chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs. My commitment to support the Salam Development Framework of the Honorable Municipal Mayor Dr. Renz Tucuran. It's a program for the benefits of seven barangay, component barangay of this municipality. Shukran, Assalamualaikum.
Our Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Liza S. Boyan.
Auzubillahiminasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am SB member Liza S. Boyan and as chairman of the Committee on Youth and Sports Development, it is my commitment to support Salam Development Framework of Honorable Municipal Mayor Dr. Renz M. Tucuran under the level of services on education, health, social welfare, and protection component. Thank you.
The Honorable Municipal Mayor Dr. Renz M. Tucuran. I so move this project.
Thank you, Honorable Batis. There are motion by Honorable Batis to adopt the State of the Municipality Address, reward of our Honorable Municipal Mayor, Honorable Dr. Renz M. Tucuran. Is there any second motion?
I second the motion.
Duly seconded by Honorable Boyan. Do I hear any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. The State of the Municipality Address or Summary Report of our Honorable Municipal Mayor Dr. Renz M. Tucuran is hereby adopted and they are hereby referred to the different Sangguniang Bayan Standing Committees for further legislative and action. Honorable Masukat is recognized.
Mr. Chairman, having no other agenda on the floor, I move to adjourn. I so Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion by Honorable Masukat to adjourn our special session. Do I see any second motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Yusuf. Do I hear any objection? Hearing none, the special session for the adoption of the summer report is hereby adjourned. Thank you so much, everyone. Before anything else, we would like to return the floor to our information officer, ladies and gentlemen, Sajid M. Mapalampay.
At this juncture, may I request everyone to please rise for our closing dua to be led to us by Sir Masulot Bento.
وقال ربكم ادعوني استغفركم من رب العالمين. اللهم انت السلام ومنك السلام واليك يعود بالسلام وحين ردنا بالسلام وادخلنا الجنه دار السلام. تبارك ربنا وتعالى يا ذا الجلال والاكرام. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك اشهد ان لا اله الا الله ونستغفرك ونتوب اليك والحمد لله رب العالمين.